What after seems like 18 hours of rain, we're starting to get some breaks in the clouds, but the showers are going to return. Check out how much rain fell here today. Across the area, over 2 inches of rain on top of what fell last night over in Muskegon. 9/10 in Holland, 58/100 of an inch here in Grand Rapids. Our record here in Grand Rapids today, 2.53. We broke a record yesterday, but you broke a record today in Muskegon with that 2.41. The old record was also set back in 1909, just like Grand Rapids, but you only had 1.5 inches that year. Well, it's going to end up cooler than average here for the month of April because we only have one more day left. It's also going to add up to be more rain than usual. Up until yesterday, we had about 1 inch deficit. We made up for that quickly. A little bit more snowfall. That was thanks to a couple, 3 episodes there earlier this month. No more snow coming. And we're going to end up a little bit cloudier than a typical April. 13 weather ball is blinking bright. We have more late night showers and Thursday showers in sight. It's also blue, cooler weather in view, and this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We forecast a temperature of 57 at 5 o'clock today, and it was 58. That's within 3 degrees, and we're back on track within 3 degrees. Showers continue, though, Thursday, fewer and farther between, but a chilly day with highs barely into the 50s. But clearing on Friday will boost us up into the 60s, and we'll have weekend sunshine with 60s as well. Next week, cooler. Highs back into the 50s. Our average highs are in the low 60s, and I think next week we have one chance at a shower, and that would be now Tuesday night. Low pressure system right up around Fremont and Muskegon has got our winds out of the west and northwest and southwest down here on the south end of the lake, where temperatures have fallen into the 40s to near 50. Meanwhile, inland, our winds are out of the south and southeast, and we're well up into the 50s, but we're going to drop quickly this evening. This represents about a 5 to 15 degree temperature drop inland, but along the lakeshore, it's about 20 to 25 degrees colder today than it was yesterday. Showers from earlier today and last night lifting to the north, and we're getting some breaks now in the cloud cover here. But as that storm system just kind of hovers overhead next 24 hours, we're going to continue to see the showers. They're actually going to come back in from the south later on tonight with the heavier rain to the northwest and to the east eventually. And as that low moves away, the winds are already starting to pick up. There's the center of that low pressure system as that just rotates through. We got those breaks in the clouds. By 11 o'clock, there'll be a few scattered showers to our north and east, and then they'll rotate up from the south later on tonight. Down around Kalamazoo and Battle Creek, you're going to see some showers move in prior to daybreak. And then they'll rotate to the east on Thursday and off to the north and west. And by late in the day tomorrow, we will start to see some breaks open up. That will be late tomorrow night into Friday, and then skies will clear. We got a nice sunny Saturday coming up with some high clouds. And again, the heaviest rain now will be off to the northwest, over northwest counties of lower Michigan and from Ionia eastward, and that will be through tomorrow night. Temperature-wise, barely into the low 50s along the lakeshore. Some areas will be in the 40s. We'll be up into the 60s on Friday, and then well up into the 60s, even 75 here in Chicago on Saturday afternoon. That's a little bit more like it. Tomorrow, though, we'll see temperatures upper 50s, upper 40s to near 50 with on and off showers. Nothing quite like what you've had, though, in the last 24. A couple of scattered showers up north. Well, around 51 to as warm as 53 in Greenville, and from Grand Rapids southward, we'll see highs around 53 here in GR, a little bit cooler down toward Kalamazoo. 13 on your side forecast. Out of the 50s into the 60s then through the weekend, but we'll drop back into the 50s next week. There's a weak cold front coming through on Sunday. Slight chance of a sprinkle Saturday night, but I didn't put it in the forecast. A better chance of some showers than next Tuesday night as we climb out of the 50s and hopefully back into the 60s by Mother's Day weekend.
That would be nice.